What is up and what is good, YouTube the World Wide Web? Man, as you guys can see in live HD, it is your tired host with the most, Paul Cantu. I just drove 4 hours to Dallas. Puma hit me up on Tuesday about an event they're having in NYC for this crazy release of some really dope dad shoes. So without further ado, after this 4-hour drive, I'm about to hop on a plane and go to New York and go to this dope ass event. So let's get it.
From Dallas to LaGuardia, our flying time will be 3 hours, 6 minutes, at an altitude of 37,000 feet. Neon weather conditions, likely showers, cloudy.
Alright class, so I just made it up to my hotel room floor and I have to say, dude, this hotel is so posh, and evidently the guy said that I have a giant parcel waiting for me from Puma in my room, so I'm about to check that out right now. Oh, dude, look at this massive parcel from Puma. Hey, a big shout out to them. Also sounds like someone's urinating in my restroom. Oh, look who it is. It's the young thrift mother Casey. Yo, this restroom is so tiny. I don't want to like spend too much time obsessing over it, but it's like a airplane sized restroom. So I'm about to join the Mile High Club, I guess, taking a giant. But yeah, here is the parcel. I can show off the room number. I can show off all the info because guess what? By the time you guys see this, I will not be here. So yeah, big shout out to Puma. They overnighted this on that Rush Wave. Dude.
You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid.
Alright class, so now it's time to unbox this giant parcel. And due to the terrible lighting situation, I think I'm gonna use this as a tripod and just see what this looks like real quick. Wait, hold up. Oh, hey, that's abuse, brother.
That's assault, brother.
So, yeah, here's the giant parcel. I actually think I might do a POV version of this, and I know you guys love that. So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't have Trish the blonde hair bitch with a blade on her hoof to actually unbox this with. But, you know what? I'm bound to her.
I know you're tired of loving.
So yeah, I guess I'll just crack this open with my long fingernails before I go get a manicure tomorrow. Dude, like, look at these things, bruh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Chill out, dude. How else would I get into this package if these nails were cut? Dude, I also feel like I high-key look like a homeless person. So I'm gonna need a... Is that offensive?
You're wearing like nice clothes.
No, hell no, because homeless people always come through with the fresh like starter jackets. Like you ever seen them fresh homeless people? See, you're not on the vintage wave like I am. Anyways, I look like a freaking bum, so that's why I'm gonna do this POV especially, and just get into this. So we'll see if the nails can just, if this is nail penetrating, or if these nails are like equipped with the box penetrating radar system. Yeah, they're not at all. You what?
I have keys.
No, I feel like we should use other random objects to try and unbox this with. Let's try and slide the remote. All right, that doesn't work. Like, people are used to the horse, so I gotta come through with something a little different. Oh yeah, look at that. It just takes a little cutlery, you know what I'm saying? This is like a bronze saw in the Stone Age. This should definitely do the trick. A little Captain Hook action right here. Oh shit.
You just look like you're manhandling this thing.
Alright, we in this thing, people. Let's remove the doors. Oh my gosh. This might arguably be better than what's inside. Alright, so anyways, we got a lot of popcorn. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, hold up. This box is absolutely insane, dude. Look at the packaging. So you guys know that Transformers comes out on Christmas Day, and it's still out in theaters right now, the day you guys are seeing this. But Lord have mercy on my soul. Look at Bumblebee over here. Oh my gosh, I will never steal honey from you, hunty. So yeah, this is very clean. It has that old school like 80s grid design. Cracking it open. Look at that. You got 2 little pull holes. I actually think this package was a lot cleaner, but I did toss this around a little bit. Inside, you have the RSXs. These are definitely sick. They have that like 90s dad shoe vibe, if you will. They have a lot of that like Big Bird color scheme. They got the Transformers logo on the back. Ooh, matching the lamp, got that little metallic action. Also got some Clifford red, got the Puma pouncing right there. Once again, over the Transformers logo. This is just really sick. The branding is subtle yet sexy. This shoe overall is just really dope. Like, I told Puma, man, they've hooked it up with a couple of pieces in the past, and I was like, dude, I need some pieces that actually go with my vibe, and these definitely do the trick. So yeah, these are out right now. They have a couple colorways of these. And it looks like they actually threw in a toy Transformer. I don't know why this dude is imprisoned by these cables though. Like, that ain't right, brother. And then you also have the event right here, which is going down December 22nd in New York. If you guys didn't follow me on Instagram, that's where you guys need to follow me to know what actually goes down. My Instagram is popping. And then you have another box right here, that classic little nice forest green, that evergreen little Christmas tree color scheme. And then just lifting the top on this guy. Got the paper. Oh my lord, yes sir. So you have another model. This one definitely I feel like will match with a lot more stuff. Got the primary color scheme, definitely 90s as hell. The RS running system. They're the RSXs once again. So yeah, man, I think what I'm gonna actually do is change my outfit to match the color of the shoe. I need to grab some quick pics for the gram, so let's do that right now.
I've been ballin', check the wrist now. You can find me on the split now. Yeah, blowing on the split now. Probably with your bitch now. Yeah, hit a rodeo drive. I just wanna get high. Shorty, don't you say bye, 'cause I'm about to stunt tonight. Yeah.
All right, class, so today is the day. We're going to Foot Locker House of Hoops for this crazy Puma event. And what actually is nuts is that these shoes are literally like a glove on my feet. Like, it feels like I'm walking on a cloud. And with the like Transformers theme, all I can think about is Stitches whenever he like slams his hands on the Camaro and is like, Bumblebee, wake up! Bumblebee, wake the fuck up! But anyways, dude, I love the like variety of materials, the suede on the toe cap, the big old like blocking on the outsole. I don't know, man, these shoes overall are just super clean, and I'm really excited to see what this event beholdeth and the setup that they got at this House of Hoops. It's right by the Empire State Building, so let's get there and see what's a Gucci.
I've been ballin', going to the wrist. Too many bitches tryna fuck it here. Shorty drop it down and make a flip. I just started with a zip and made a fit. Ay, couple packs, couple rats, I'm counting cash now.
Alright, man, I'm about to get ran over by this here for you, man. We just made it out to the Foot Locker area, so about to pop in and see what is good with this Transformers times Puma toy shop event. Let's get it. Alright, yo, this is dope. They got a DJ, you got the referees. And this is the whole like RSX Transformer setup they have going on here. So this is super sick. They got like a nice little photo op going on with a Bumblebee, of course. And then they have all the shoes boxed up to perfection with the Transformers. So they have the Bumblebee rendition right here that I showed you guys. And they also have the Optimus Prime. That is super sick. So they definitely went above and beyond with the setup. And then of course they got some t-shirts, bang bang. And look at that little piece of jewelry on the back, my God. And they also have this like Transformers claw machine. So I'm finna see what I can win real quick. It is. What should I go after? Hey, which one looks vulnerable? I'm going after this. One up this time. Let's get it. One up this time. Let's get it. Right foot. Come on. Left foot. Dude, I don't know which one to go after because like those two on the back might be the move. Or this one right here.
Oh, it just went down.
I know, that's what it did with me. Oh!
This guy
Bro,
right here
look who
with
pulled up to
M&Ms.
the event. Bruh. You guys know, man, anything else would be
Uncivilized.
it's that time, baby. Hey, man, shout out Mr. Farmer Simpson coming through the event as well. He came toy shop ready
Yes, sir.
with the hoodie.
I don't play. Money everywhere, so I be gone all day. Sorry for the wait. I got hello on my plate, so I gon' waste another day. Yeah, I don't play. About the money every day. I ain't perfect, by the way. I don't play. Money not the problem. Can you walk all on my way?
Alright, man. So the homie Trey pulled up. It's funny, bro. I was recording him playing the machine, and this fool's like, "Wait, you make YouTube videos?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "You don't want the dolphin noises?" So, So big shout out to Trey, man. Hey, low key, you know he's dripping too. I'm gonna say those are Pumas. I'm gonna say they're Pumas for today. But yeah, big shout out to Trey, man. Appreciate you, G. Appreciate you, bro. You already know. All right, y'all. So that Foot Locker event was crazy. It was a really good time, really amazing. I loved the way they set up the displays overall. So big shout out to Puma and Foot Locker. If you guys need the shoes, they're linked down below. Also, man, it's absolutely nuts in these streets, bro. Like, there's so many damn citizens. It's crazy out here, dude. Like, there are hella motherfuckers. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go back to Texas and get some dope ass fits to match my 2 Puma kicks. So let's go ahead and do so right now.
Special delivery, spit like this, get my wrist all glittery.
Woo! All right, baby, it's golden hour, man. I'm back in Texas right now, and by looking at the link to this video, I actually am gonna do the thrifting to go with the kicks tomorrow or the next day, so stay tuned for that. But big shout out to Puma once again for blessing me with the opportunity to pull up in New York. Shout out to everyone who came through. And of course, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. It took a lot of work to edit, so show some love down below. Peace out. I'll catch you guys next time. We got a lot of high quality content coming soon. I'm gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.